Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am in the community of Lewisville, and Lewisville is in New Market, and New Market is in Saint Elizabeth, Jamaica. And my purpose of visiting is to see what 1,000 Jamaican dollars can get me in the Lewisville Market. I have a tour guide. What $1,000 can get me in the Lewisville Market. Alright, and in my purse I only have 1,000 Jamaican dollars, and this is what the Jamaican dollar look like, 1,000. And what I want to do is to do a tour of the market and see what 1,000 Jamaican dollars can get me in the Lewisville Market. Okay, so this is a community center building, and I am also realizing that the police station is located across from the market, right? So that is the police station, and also further up we will have the post office, and it is right across from the market, right? So let us just walk through. Mangoes are so juicy and beautiful. So what we're going to get first?
What do you want?
We have all right, so we have cantaloupe, and we have sweet pepper and cantaloupe. Hello, miss. Oh, how much is it for your guinea? 100? So what we get a bundle? Alright, so this is the guinea. It's 100 a bundle. Alright, I want the sweetest bundle. You hear, miss? Oh, yeah, we can't taste it. Alright, hold on. So what she's saying, guys, is that we can buy and taste. I'm going to taste the guinea first. Okay, guys, so what happened is that I have to taste the guinea first to see whether or not the guinea is sweet, or I should make a decision on whether or not I should purchase the guinea in the Lewisville Market. Alright? I have to watch the stain. Okay, so I can't go on. Alright, so the guinea kind of sell off. It sell off, so I'm going to take a bunch. Okay, so I'm getting my bunch of guinea, and that will be $100. So when that $100 is taken out of the $1,000, I'll be left with only $900. So far $100 gave me this, and the guinea is sweet because you have seen me tasted it. So guys, I got back my $900 change, so it's 500 plus 400, and that would have been 9. I'm not taking picture, I'm just buying. I'm just shopping and recording my experience shopping. No, it's shopping, I'm shopping. Oh, what is this? Fine? Alright, so they have pine. Pine there is alright. I don't have to take anything. And then I also have pumpkin. But I'm trying to make a decision as to what to buy. Should I buy the pumpkin or buy the pine?
Buy the pumpkin.
Or who is selling the pumpkin? Alright, come sir. 60 a pound. So he said that is 60 a pound for the pumpkin. I wonder if I have as much money here. 60 and 60, 120. Oh, so you can give me a pound and a half. How? One little pumpkin? How much I can get? Can't give me a nice pumpkin. Which one suit me?
Anyone suit me. Yeah, nice one. Hello. Nice pumpkin, man.
You are from you're from that side? No man. You're from I think I saw you somewhere.
Right here, right now.
No. 4 1/4. Oh, so this pumpkin weighs 4 1/4 pound.
So 6 fours are 24.
6 fours, 24. So it comes to $240. But him said we must give him $250. Oh, so I have no silver, so my money going short $10. My money is short $10. So how much I have leave? Oh, I get in my silver. So I got back my change. I get this lovely pumpkin. You have a bag? Can I put the pumpkin in?
50.
The pumpkins are looking so beautiful. You grow the pumpkin yourself?
Yeah.
You have great pumpkin. Thanks. So we got pumpkin and we got guinea so far. And we have, this is what? This is 60? $650. This is what we have remaining. Hello sir. Is it okay if I purchase some of your melons? What's the cost? 100 a pound? Is how much pound I can get? I can get a pound and a half? I have 150. No man, you don't have any for half?
No, I don't have.
Alright, so any piece of these here is for $100. So I'm going to try and take up the juiciest piece. And I think this would have been the juiciest piece. Alright, so we got melon, pumpkin, and what else? Alright, thank you very much, sir. Pineapple? And we got guinea. Hello, miss. How you sell your pineapples? $80. You have any that weigh 1 pound? Let me just look at the pineapple. What they weigh? 2 pounds? 3? Oh. You have a 2 pound one? So she's trying to find a 2 pound one for me. Because it is $80, 80 Jamaican dollars, peeps. Not US, 80 Jamaican dollars. Ooh. Alright. So. Oh, she gonna peel it? So we have our lovely pine, and we purchased for 80 and 80, $160, $160 for that pine. So therefore we will end up with how many money we have leave? We have
240.
That's 240, and I have $60. Is 50 or 60? Woo! And I have 60 in my hand. Did you see the cantaloupes? And I love cantaloupe, you know. How much per pound for the cantaloupe? It's 70 per pound. I wonder if we can get none of them would weigh 2 pounds. Them big.
You want to right for now, so.
But we don't want done the money. Maybe we see something else that we want. How much pound is that? 3 pounds? $210. Give me a cantaloupe. No man, put them in there. Oh, there. So far, show me what we have in the bag. We have our melon, guinea, and then we also have pine, pumpkin, cantaloupe. So what I'm realizing is that $1,000 can give me a lot of things into a market. All right, want me to get some peppers? Hello, Grandma. I can get some pepper from you. How much is it for your pepper? And I'm getting the pepper for $150. Or I should buy the pear. I think I should buy the pear. It's the same price, so $150 for the pear and $150 for the pepper. So what I'm going to take the pear. I think it's been a long time since I have tasted pear. So what I'm going to do, yes, Grandma, I'm going to take the pear. So give me a lovely one of the lovely ones, not the overripe one, but one that is lovely. That's all. Yeah, that one is lovely. Let me look at it. So this is the Come in the Light. So this is the pear. It's a lovely pear that we got for $150. So how much money we have remaining? None.
$25.
Oh Lord, we have $25 remaining. I wonder if we should use how much pepper I can buy, Grandma. Oh, so show the $25 first. So this $25 can get me 3 peppers. So I still end up with the pepper along with, and I got the pear, and thanks to Grandma. Oh Lord.
You want green or ripe?
You can mix it with the green and the ripe. Grandma, thank you so very much. You want to share your experience selling in the market?
Well, it's not pretty, but we have to go on with it.
Okay, so Grandma said that it is not pretty, but they still have to do what they have to do inside of the market. Alright? Okay guys, I had a wonderful experience in the Lewisville Market, and I came in here with 1,000 Jamaican dollars. And that 1,000 Jamaican dollars, it gave me some melon, it gave me guinea and pumpkin pepper, and what surprised me was the $25. The cents that I had left, the cents gave me 3 hot pepper that I can use to spice up my food and use to spicy up my ackee and my saltfish that I have to offer. You understand? So that is what the $1,000 gave to me. Alright? Okay, so Miss wanted me to buy this beautiful bunch of callaloo, but guess what? The money done. The last $25 gave me the 3 peppers. So I'm unable to purchase the callaloo.
So I'm gonna give it to you free.
Oh my God! So guys, alright, I want to, what is your name?
Donna.
Donna? Yeah. And which community you're from?
Woodland, Backstreet.
So she's from Woodland in Backstreet, Saint Elizabeth. And
I'm gonna give you a bag.
Correct. Callaloo, because guess what? The money finished. And I just want to thank her. So what I want to do at this moment is to big up everybody from Woodland in Saint Elizabeth, Jamaica, and big up Auntie Donna. Everybody will see Auntie Donna and know Auntie Donna is a good woman.
And I love you all.
Alright. Alright.
Good evening.
So thank you, Auntie Donna.
Same to you.
Alright, take care. Auntie Donna says she can't sing. You want to do a little singing?
If you feel the combat hunger from the rebel, and the blows. Take a glimpse into your future and step away from your past. God will give you life you needed. He will rescue you at last.
Big up Auntie Dana from Woodland in Saint Elizabeth. And the experience was great. I had a great experience, and thank you for the callaloo. I got my callaloo. This is the library. So we're going to stop at the library. No drinks, miss. We came here with $1,000 and the money done. Is there where they sell other things up by the top, but I'm not going up that side because the $1,000 finish. Alright, so that is the market house. This is what I got with my $1,000. Okay guys, this is what I got with my $1,000. I got you all recall that the callaloo was free. It was given to me as a gift. And then the guinea, the melon, I got the pear for $150. How much was it for the guinea? 200? 100. 100 for the guinea. The pine, I don't remember the price. Maybe about $240.
Yeah, that's it.
And the pumpkin, and we got 3 little peppers over there for the $25. Now this is what I got in Lewisville Market for only 1,000 Jamaican dollars. Okay guys, so O'Neill assisted me. He was my tour guide, so he ensured that I got the load carried and ensure that everything goes well. But what I want to do right now is to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. I do hope that you enjoyed this episode. Alright, take care. Bye bye.